Good morning everyone, it is lockdown once again. I thought I'd spend my morning with you guys and show you my typical morning routine at the moment. Get out of bed. Well done, you've done the first step. I open the blinds, turn on the lights to the blinding truth that is another day, and I stretch. Next I choose out my workout clothes because if I don't get dressed straight away, it's not gonna happen. Then I air out the bed. We don't make it anymore after all the comments on my last morning routine. We just shake it out. And then it's time to head upstairs and get caffeinated. Go get him, Tiger. Once I've been sufficiently fueled, I brush my teeth and head into the office to start my workout of the day. So I begin with some morning yoga. I follow Yoga with Adrian because she makes my heart happy. And then excuse the outfit change, I was filming another video, but I then move on to something a little bit more intense. I like to get my workout done in the mornings because I am sat most of the day and it just gets me going, gets me moving, and changes up the pace of the day a little bit.
Long face, deck a case, get the cash. I've been living fast, still far from average. Real talk, all this shit is right outside what I imagine. Young, black and raspy, catch me with a lab beyond.
Once I've destroyed myself, I head to the kitchen, shake up my protein shake, and it is time to take my vitamins of the day. This video is sponsored by Vital. Vital is a vitamin subscription service, which is a brand created by medical specialists to create a bespoke vitamin repertoire for your morning routine. All you do is go onto their website and take a free consultation answering basic questions about your lifestyle and your goals. Mine in particular are to help me with my sleep. They take all of that into account and send you out monthly vitamins. You keep the box and they send you refills every month. They're non-GMO, 100% free from synthetic fillers and bulking agents and sugar, and you can also make them vegan and vegetarian. So this is a really affordable way to get expert help to make the right decisions for you. If you use the link down below and my promo code EMMA14 at checkout, you guys can get a 2-week free trial and you will receive a monthly refill in a letterbox friendly packet. So thank you Vital for working with me on this video. It's now time for breakfast. So for breakfast on this day, I had a piece of banana bread with some almond butter on top, and it was delicious. Breakfast is my favourite meal of the day and also my favourite time of day. I actually really love the mornings because I take them pretty slow. I like to be mindful and relaxed because I feel like it really sets the tone for the day. After that, I head back downstairs. I make my bed now once it's had time to aerate. And then I grab my clothes for the day, comfies, of course, lockdown, and then I hop in the shower, do all my shower things. Whack on a fresh pair of jammies, and then I do some basic skincare. I love the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser at the moment and the Pixie Glow Tonic, as well as the Ren Overnight Glow and the Hangover RX lip treatment from Too Faced. And then I light my candles. At the moment I'm loving this pumpkin chai latte candle. You guys know I love this candle. And then I head into the office and whack on some really minimal makeup, my SPF, a bit of glow, some foundation. Obviously we love a bushy brow around here. Some highlight, mascara, lips, and bish bash bosh, you're done. do is plan out my day, and then the day can begin, which, let's be real, at the moment consists of a lot of work, sitting at my laptop and walking to and from the larder to grab snacks and making copious amounts of tea. And that, at the moment, has been my lockdown routine. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what your favourite part of your morning routine is and how you're getting through lockdown and how you're doing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Lots of love. Bye!